What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be checking another crypto exchange that will definitely be a good option for you to do your crypto transactions. Before we start, just a quick message guys, I'm not a professional advisor and this video is purely for informational and educational purposes only, so let's get it on. Alright guys, so MEXC Global landing page link will be in the description of the video. As you can see right there guys, XEN campaigns, deposit, refer, and stake to win. So 10,000 MX, 15,000 in XEN, and 7% APY. So that's what they are saying right there. And you can go ahead and join right now, okay? So you can go ahead and check on that when you head your way into going to MEXC Global, which will be in the description of the video. So let's go ahead and check out the website and see what MEXC Global has. All right, so market, let's go ahead and click on, actually first things first, okay, let's go ahead and check out the different, as you can see right there, the different ways on how you can purchase or sell your crypto, because that's one thing that's very critical with different exchanges. So I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check them out first, and let's see what are the different currencies right there that you could choose from. Let's go ahead and choose Canadian dollar. Okay, so you see there are merchants there that could sell you the token that you could use in your journey with MEXC Global, and then you could also sell your tokens in there. So these are your available payment methods. It actually varies depending on what currency you are choosing when you're going to buy your crypto, and then you could choose which crypto you would like to purchase. And I would again strongly suggest that you purchase USDT simply because it's like the most generic token that you could use when you are doing your trade. So when going on to the next one, which is spot trading, if you click on spot, everything, almost all of the tokens has a trading pair with USDT. So it's gonna be easier for you when you do your trades in there. Okay, so right here you could see, we go ahead and zoom in a little bit. So okay, there you go. Okay, so this is where you could choose whatever tokens you would like. Let's say I used ADA before. Let's go ahead and see if we could go ahead and do Ethereum on this one. So Ethereum has USDT. See there. Bitcoin definitely has USDT. Okay, you have ADA. Let's see Wax. There. So Wax to USDT. You could go ahead and check on those as well. Oh, hold on. Let me change that. So let's use Bitcoin USDT. So you could see here the charts. Okay, so the candlesticks. And again, before you do your trades, guys, if you're new to crypto trading, I would strongly suggest that you go ahead and check out the videos in the channel about fundamentals of crypto trading first before you dive in to, like, you know, buying and selling and buying and selling. Don't make it like you know, a card game or a casino that, you know, you just rely on your luck alone. Make sure to learn the technical analysis skill, because that will definitely be very helpful into, like, you know, increasing the chances of your wins. Okay, I'm not saying that it's going to give you like 100% win rate, because that's close to impossible. You know, you win some, you lose some, but what matters is that your win rate percentages is higher than the amount of money that you are losing. Okay, so go ahead and check this out for those fundamental skills of trading. All right, next one would be, you have margin, maximize profits with leverage. You have quantitative trading. Let's go ahead and quickly check on that one as well. Okay, so you have margin, you have quantitative trading, spot grid, beginner friendly, enjoy hands-free trading, and automatic buy and sell 24/7. Reap the rewards of buy low, sell high, and beat the market with our strategy pool. So you have quantitative trading in here. So open the era of automations. Like, I think it's like something like bots or something. The next one would be futures trading. Futures overview. View our full range of crypto derivative tools, and then USDTM. Let's go ahead and check on that. It's going to look like your spot trading, guys. But for this one, you can increase your leverage. I normally refer to that as like the multiplier. The higher the multiplier is, the higher you could get like the winnings, but also the higher the percentages of you being liquidated or zeroed out real quick. So be careful with that. Be very, very, very careful with that. Make sure, again, for this one, guys, this is actually where you would definitely need to have, like, I would suggest to have like an intermediate skill in technical analysis, because this one deals a lot of like, you know, checking out the charts and then seeing like if there's a double shoulder or something like that. What's your resistance? What's your support? What's the forecast, right? Like for this one, we have higher highs and higher lows. So it's going a little bullish on that one. But for this one, will it break out? I've heard a lot of speculations earlier today that, you know, Bitcoin would definitely be in a good bull run for the next couple of weeks or months. I hope that's true, because again, you know, there are a lot of people that lost a lot of money in crypto for the past couple of months, close to a year, not yet, but yeah, we're going towards the end of 2022. So 2022 wasn't really a very, very good year for everybody in crypto. I hope towards the end of the year it's gonna get better and better and better. That way we could get even with the losses that we've had. And I hope you guys are doing fine in terms of your portfolio. That's something that my portfolio is all reds right now. And you know, I hope you guys don't need to sell at a loss. I'm still hodling my tokens right now. You know, once it goes down, hopefully it goes back. What comes back around? What comes around comes around. So okay, anyway, so you have different futures trading there. You have USDTM, you have CoinM, you have Futures M, demo trading leaderboard. Let's go ahead and click on the leaderboard and see. Look at that. Weekly yield 1,195.86%. Wow. These are, I think it's safe to assume that these guys are pretty much experts in crypto trading already. So, you know, hopefully we'll get to that caliber. But as you study crypto, like as you practice that as well, you'll get better and better at it. Just don't be impulsive with your decisions. I think you'll be fine. So you have ETFs, you have Earn, so Launchpad, buy new tokens, and an early price. This is actually a very, very good place to go ahead and check out. So risk reminder, projects is a centralized project application to control future development and operations of incubated projects are dependent on the respective project teams in charge. Please be aware of the investment risks involved. MEXC Exchange does not make any endorsements nor guarantees for the projects offered, and any acts or communication from MEXC Exchange and its staff should not be interpreted as endorsements or guarantees. Okay, so go ahead and accept that. Do you see what are the projects that are done? You know, past events. They also hosted the crop bites there, the Geno Pets. I have tokens of crop bites. That was way back last year. Yeah. So they had a good price. I think it went up as high as like $3 for just a quick, like I think it's a few hours, and then went down to $1, and then from there down it goes. Until now, again, it's, you know, it's once the mother coins goes down, majority of the altcoins go down with it as well. So that's kind of how the trend goes. Okay, you have Futures M Day, MX Burn, Trade Mining, MX DeFi, MX Zone. You have staking. Okay, simple and secure way to earn crypto. Go ahead and check on that here. You see if you have these tokens, you could stake them there. Estimated APY. Some are not as high, but some are really good. So 7% right here. And let's go back. Let's go ahead and check out the others. Back here, you have assessment, zone voting. You have slot auction, yeah. Participate in DOT and KSM parachain auctions and governance voting. You have ETH 2.0 staking. So let's go ahead and click on that one and see what we could go ahead and check on this one. ETH 2.0 staking, one-click stake to enjoy double rewards of BETH or BETH and MX. So ETH available balance, you have BETH available balance. ETH 2.0 staking, please be cautioned that staked ETH is not redeemable. So yeah, what you need to know in order to participate, go ahead and check those one out, and you have the facts here. Okay, so I would strongly recommend that you read through the facts and read through the information before taking your crypto. Again, when in terms of like transactions with crypto, you always have to be alert, always have to check out every detail before you get into anything in crypto, because there's a lot of scams, there's a lot of hackers, there's a lot of different basically syndicates or bad people in crypto. Something that we have to deal with. Okay, so let's move on. Let's go ahead and check out other things here. What are the other stuff? We have giveaways for new ETF users. Yeah, trade 100 USDT ETF, get 50 USDT. Leverage ETFs, index ETFs, and you have get $1,000. How do you do that? 1,000 USDT in bonus waiting to be discovered. Participating traders, 832,950. Wow, there's a lot. Okay, so looks like it's giving you information on who has completed. So has completed first futures trading of $1,000 and earned 5 USDT. So good for them, right? Go ahead and check out others here. You've received $0 up to $1,000. Not logged in. Weekly futures event, trade to share. So these are all of their good stuff. And look at that, beginner task. Deposit 30 USDT, you get 5 USDT here. Click on go. But of course, again, you have to click on it, check to see, you know, what are the things that you need to know for you to be able to get whatever they are saying. But again, you know, MEXC has been there for quite some time, and this is a good, credible exchange that you guys could explore and check and see if this is something that, you know, you would work out with you as well. So copy trade, go ahead and click on that one. See, so these are like the good traders. As you can see, they're getting a lot of like ROIs. You have 20% ROI, total profit and loss $1,000. Gosh, $8,000. You have $7,285 of profit there. So greens are positive, reds are negative. So I certainly hope that your portfolio, some of your coins are still green. Okay, there's really, you know, a lot going on in crypto. Hopefully it will be better once the 2022 is done. So I'll hope and pray that it's gonna be better and better. Okay, next one would be, there's another risk reminder here. Okay, trade futures and win free airdrop tokens up to 7 times week. So you can go ahead and make sure, like when you register, guys, when you register with MEXC Global, go ahead and check out the ones that are on fire. It may have something for you, like that, to join, like get something out of the trades that you're getting or the deposits that you are doing or the transactions that you're making with MEXC Global. Okay, so that's that for MEXC Global, guys. Go ahead and check out the channel for fundamentals, different stuff in terms of crypto trading that would definitely up your game in technical analysis and fundamentals of crypto in general. One of the things that I like about MEXC Global Exchange is that they are one of the fastest altcoin listing exchange out there. So let me go ahead and show you some of the tokens that I have for some of the play to earn games that I bought the tokens from. So you would see here, this is CWAR, this is for CryoWar. This is actually available in MEXC Global Exchange, and it's not available in other exchanges like the Binance or Coinbase or something like that. And let me also show you another one. This is CBX, this is Crop Bites. The next one that I want to highlight is their futures, guys, or the derivatives. So if we click on futures and go to the futures overview, it will show us this one. Okay, so see, up to 200x leverage with superior spreads. That's what I like about this one as well. I mean, there are a lot of exchanges that has derivatives or futures that you could use, but this one I feel is, for me, is one thing that I would definitely consider. Simply because, their futures market has deep liquidity and thin spreads. And for the last thing that I want to mention is the money saver that we could offer to you guys. So I would strongly recommend that you guys use the link in the description of the video. It's a referral link for MEXC Global Exchange. When you register using that referral link, it will definitely give you a 10% discount on the transactions that you are going to do in MEXC Global. Okay, if you're new to the channel, click on that subscribe and click on that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos, anything and everything crypto that would definitely be helpful in your crypto journey. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.